Welcome back to the Ticket demo series. In today's session, we're going to focus in on how our end users can access the end user request portal. So Adele is an end user of my business, and she's logged into web.ticket.ai/requests, which is the end user request portal for Tikit. And when she logs in here, she's provided a lot of different options. And what we're going to do here is we're going to walk through some of the most common things she would do, and then we'll create some tickets and talk about how that experience feels as well. So the first thing you'll notice here is that she's presented with effectively 3 swim lanes. This first swim lane is a service catalog. This is a published catalog from our business that's highlighting the different services that are in our business, as well as the different offerings within those services. So as an example, we have an IT service, a facility service, an HR service, a finance service, and with each one of these areas, I have different request offerings that trigger service requests, and I have different knowledge articles. Now I can choose how to configure this as a ticket admin. I'm choosing to collapse a few of these and expand a few of these, but I'm happy to expand all of them, just depending on how you have this configured. Now to the right of that is a list of all of Adele's open tickets currently, as well as all of her open approvals. Now, once she decides to review everything, she has the ability to action and access open tickets, access open approvals, create new tickets. I'm going to walk through a little bit of that as well now. So the first thing she can do in terms of actioning things here is she can click on Add Request, and that will simply let her create a new ticket. So this is the new ticket form for our end users. This is 100% configurable. You can see here what I'm asking for Adele is which team does she want this sent to? Because I'm working in a multi-team, multi-department environment where I have different departments receiving requests from the business. I'm asking for a request title and I'm asking for a category. Now, that's one option Adele can do to initiate the submission of a ticket. She can also browse the service catalog and initiate a request as well. So as an example, if she wants to kick off a software request, she can click on software request. She'll be presented with a software request form. Let's say she needs Adobe Photoshop. Put in a reason, give a software installation date, and go ahead and submit that out. When she creates a ticket, that's going to bring her to the view/edit ticket experience for the end user. And you're going to see here a couple of things. The first is Adele is going to see the form that she filled out. She's also going to notice that in order for this approval to happen, in order for the software request to happen, an approval needs to occur. You'll also see here a ticket number and then this UPS tracker type of experience. We call this tracker a life cycle. And this life cycle is giving Adele the awareness that there's a few phases that need to happen for us to fulfill this. And phase 1 is that approval. Adele can also add a comment here if she wanted to. I'm just looking for an update. And that will be sent off to the IT team to review and respond to accordingly. Now, if she goes back to the tickets area, she's also going to see that ticket is going to be dropped into the tickets list here. So she can review any of those tickets that she has open. She can easily go back into any of them and navigate accordingly. If she wanted to approve something as well, she has the ability to do that here. And the last thing I typically like to highlight here is she has the option to configure this in a few different ways. So the first is she can choose which column she cares to see. Maybe she just doesn't want to see her approvals. Maybe she wants to see all of her closed items. Or maybe she wants to search for something. Maybe she wants to search for the word software to bring back all the relevant items that have the word software. So you'll see here that I have a request offering that's a software request. And here's all my software requests for Adele here. Now, this experience is also available inside of Teams within Ticket Virtual Agent. So if I navigate back over to Microsoft Teams, what you'll see here is I'm currently sitting in Ticket Virtual Agent. I'm in the chat area. So this is the chat experience with Ticket Virtual Agent. And there's other demo series videos that will walk you through how this experience works. But on the top of Tikit Virtual Agent, there's a few tabs, and one of them is the Request tab. If I select that, that will bring back the end user request portal. This is the same experience as it is in the direct URL experience. However, if you wanted your end users to stay in Teams but still take advantage of this experience, you have that request tab available to you to take advantage of. This is where we're going to end this demo session. Really hope you enjoyed it. And if you do have any questions, please email team@cyerson.com.